Welcome to MiiQuest. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly assign and assess a cyber safety activity for grades K through 8. One critical 21st century skill students need to cultivate is the ability to be safe and responsible digital citizens, both inside and outside of school. We know throughout the year you'll do many things to make school a safe place for your students, and to that end, we hope that you'll find the cyber safety activities a helpful contribution. I'm logged in as a teacher right now. We're going to start with the basics and begin by creating a simple group. To do this, on the Groups tab, I'm going to click the Create New Group button. I'll enter in a name for the group, then I'll click Next to continue with the Group Creation Wizard. Under Type, I'm going to select Assessment Only, which is the simplest type of group in MiiQuest. You can just as easily make your group collaborative if you wish, but for now we'll keep this simple. You can always go back and change the group's type after it's created at any time. On the Members page, I'll click the Add Students button and use the tools here to add the students I want to associate with the group. Today, I'll find everyone in the 6th grade. I'll click the Select All checkbox, then I'll add all these students to the list of group members by clicking Add to Members. Once I have all my students associated with the group, then I'll click Next. On the Checkout page, I'll see a summary of the group. Once I've verified everything is correct, I can click the Create Group button. The group I just created will now show up in the Groups list on the left-hand menu. You can see that it has a little gray dot next to it. This means that this is an assessment-only group, which means it will not be visible to my students. Assessment-only groups, as the name suggests, primarily exist to allow you to record and track student scores. Groups with blue dots are collaborative groups, like this one here, which means it is visible to students who are part of the group. To associate an assignment to a group, we're going to first locate it in the library. From the Library tab, click on the K through 8 Core button, and you'll be able to navigate to all the available assignments. The K through 5 TechSteps library includes one cyber safety activity per grade level. Grades 6 through 8 include 2 per grade. Click on a cyber safety activity and you'll see a summary page. From the summary page, we can quickly preview the teacher guide and the student materials. For now, we're just going to click the Assign button and associate it with our group. On the Post Assignment page, we can adjust the options for the course. First, we'll choose a group to assign the activity to. We'll first assign this to our new group and all of its members. Now we'll add a due date and choose a submission method. You can always change these options later. When you've got your activity ready, click the Assign button. Let's take a quick look at what this looks like from a student's perspective. After logging in and going to the library, the students will immediately be able to view and have access to all 6 of the core TechSteps activities for the grade level, and any cyber safety activities that are also specific to that grade level. Now that we've assigned the cyber safety activity to our students, let's log back in as a teacher and quickly run through the process of assessment. First, we'll go back to the Groups tab and click on our group on the left-hand navigation menu. Now we'll choose Performance. On the Performance page, we can see a list of all the activities currently associated with our group, including our cyber safety activity. On the right side of the screen, we'll now click Assess. On the Grade Assignment page, we can view a list of all the students in the group. Click on the score placeholder at the far right of the table to begin assessment for a specific student. Cyber safety activities have a simplified assessment rubric with 3 categories: satisfactory, not satisfactory, and not assessed. Click on the radio button for the appropriate entry, then click Save and Close. Once we've saved the scores, we can see a percentage and a visual identifier of the student's progress. You can also enter scores using the Quick Entry table. Use the Save button to lock your progress as you go. Click Save and Close to submit your scores when you're finished and return to the Grade Assignment page. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to quickly create an assessment-only group, assign a cyber safety activity, and record an assessment. When these assessments are entered, you'll have a record of student completion and progress, which can then be implemented as part of a broader curriculum on digital citizenship. Cyber safety activities pair well with TechSmart discussions, which you'll also find in the library. TechSmart discussions are specialized resources tailored to each grade level about topics such as the nature of digital society, the need for digital responsibility, and online safety. We hope you enjoy these features. Thanks for using MiiQuest.